What's going on, guys? Let you know that the Kingdom program is now 25,000. There's no way you can get into the Kingdom program except by what I'm about to drop. So listen up and watch this whole video. I've created a new program called the Royal Prince Money Making Program. Now, what's the Royal Prince Money Making Program? We'll create a holding company for you. We'll create an operating company for you. We will not get into all of the finer details of holding company situations until you graduate. Now, what is graduation? This is how I see it. You will do so well with the Royal Prince Baby program that you'll be able to afford the Kingdom program. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make you guys a deal. So anyone that goes in and completes the Royal Prince Baby program will get the Kingdom program for $10,000. That's the deal I'm going to make for you guys. So this is how it's going to go. The Royal Prince program will be $1,500 and has a payment plan of $200 from now until Friday, right? And then after Friday, it goes up to $2,500 and the payment plan goes up. Why am I doing this? People who want to make money take action. People who are looking for some secret hookup or some WAS type of stuff, they're the ones who wait. So I fully expect 2 or 3 people to jump on this week. That's all I'm expecting, 2 or 3 people. I could be shocked, maybe 10 would jump on it. I don't know. Now, what do you get in the Royal Prince Baby program? First, you get an extreme money management program. First thing, everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to start a business, but no one wants to manage their money correctly. I recently had an experience that really highlighted how bad most people manage their money. So we're going to have a situation that will create you as a new financial person. The money management course will be deep, it will be intense, and it will push you. Now, there are many people who want the course to be done so they could just go through it. All right. The way the course is designed and set up, it will take you weeks to go through it if you're doing the work properly. This is not something you can sit down and go through it overnight because you're not going to get any benefit. You're just not going to get any benefit. You're not. So essentially, first thing is the Extreme Money Management Program. It'll be information I've never put out before. Then we get into the LLC, the holding company, and the operating company. If you pay in full, we will set up your holding company and operating company within the first month. If you're on a payment plan, we're not setting up your holding and operating company until you've made 12 payments. Why is that? A lot of people get in, jump on the payment plan. Once the holding company and operating company set up, they'll just pump out. That ain't going to happen this time. So you got to make 12 consistent payments before we even do your holding company and operating company. Now, you're not going to get the full list of information that the people in the Kingdom program get. The people in the Kingdom program get everything. They get A, B, C, D, and E, and G. They get everything. They get it all. But you will get a condensed version of that. Then we will have business lessons on how you can start a business, make money. Now, let's talk about this. When I say start a business and make money, exactly what do I mean? I want you to start a business, your first business ever, and get to $25,000 to $40,000 a month within a year. That's the goal. Now, here's the thing. Everyone's like, what's the best business to start? That is the wrong way to look at it. There's a guy here on YouTube who makes millions of dollars selling Frisbees. So it's not so much what's the right business to get into. It's more about what's the right business for you. That's the ticket. You got to pick the right business for you. And we're going to get into that, and we're going to have tailored stuff. And my assistant is going to be helping a great deal. My assistant works Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. Those are her hours. And you could call her or you can email her and get an answer during those times. or you can call her, email her, and get an answer when she's on duty. Now, let's talk about me. Everybody wants to talk to me. I've had literally 150 emails of people who want, hey man, let's hop on a call. Hey man, let's chat it up. Hey man, could you meet me? And like, I have some arrogant assholes who would send me like, hey, here's my number. I'm free around 11 if you can make it. All right. You will never talk to me unless you become a paying client. You will not get an email from me. I started to forward these emails to my assistant, but most of these people will not pay. They're approaching it from the wrong way. I want you to think about this. You're coming to me to learn how to make money, but you don't want to pay me any money. That makes no sense. So going forward, you will not talk to me. You will not talk to me. You will talk to my assistant. Only way you talk to me is you become a paying client and you talk to me on the live webinars. These are the only folks I'm talking to. You know, outside of a YouTube comment, I respond to YouTube comments. But this whole notion of, hey, let's talk, let's chop it up. I had someone come in for a job, and once she realized my capabilities, she wanted to actually sit down a special time to talk to me. Now, when I told her straight up, you're not talking to me for free, the whole situation changed, and she's like, oh, and I never heard from her again. I don't know what it is with black folks, non-operators, that want all of this juicy information but don't want to pay for it. Going forward in the rest of 2026, you're not talking to Glendon Cameron unless you put some money on it. It ain't happening. You're not talking to me email, you're not getting on the phone with me. It ain't happening. Why is that? I have an active business. I have rent, I have employees, I have payroll. I'm not going to get on the phone and talk to you about how you can make money without you remunerating me for my time and experience. It ain't happening. So going forward, we're going to be doing a lot of different stuff. Now, I'm going to say this, and many of you are going to laugh. 6 months from now, many of you are going to wish that you had jumped on this deal. You're going to wish that you jumped on this deal. And this is when I'm going to get all these emails. Hey, Glendon, could we go back to that original price? And I really want to be part of the program. And the answer is going to be not no. It's going to be fuck no. Because you're sitting around waiting for some magic, some special juice or sauce or whatever. All right. So the link to join the King program, I'm going to keep it simple. It's just going to be one course, and it's going to have all the layers in it. At the moment, there's nothing in there, but in 2 weeks that will change. Now, if you're one of those people where the course has to be complete for you to believe that you're going to get in it, fuck you. My goal this year is to make people rich. And if you're one of those dumbasses that think you could take a course and just go through it in an hour, you're going to get some benefits, it ain't going to work. It's just not going to work because you are a bad student to begin with. So if that's your thought process, more than likely you won't jump on this because it's like, man, I need that course and all this other stuff. Also, this is a new policy. I had another person do a chargeback. Now, I don't know what it is with these people who do these chargebacks. I don't get an email. I don't get anything. It's just like, hey, I ain't received it. I'm going to do a chargeback. Let me tell you what's going to happen to this individual. He bought the main course. Guess what he's going to get? He's going to get kicked out of the main course, and he's going to get a refund for the main course. He's going to get a partial refund. He's not going to get a full refund. He's going to get a partial refund. And if he wants to come back, he's going to have to pay twice what he paid the first time, and he's going to have to wire me that money. I am sick of you grown-ass children who want magic. Like, once again, I run a real business. I'm not just sitting here. I'm working 7 fucking days a week. I'm not just sitting up here putting out shit for you to consume. I'm putting out stuff for people to become millionaires. And once again, many of you are not cut out for it because you don't want to do the work. That's the first problem. The second problem is you don't even want to do the program. You're looking for something easy. You're looking for some Erica Williams bullshit. That's what you're looking for. I don't have that. I have Glendon Cameron, real money-making activities, real money-making stuff. And like, I'm going to say something. The majority of black how to make money course sellers on YouTube don't know shit about a holding company. Their language, their posture, the things they say, it's utterly ridiculous to someone who holds the jewels to the holding company situation. You don't have to hire your kids. You don't have to document every lunch. A holding company situation can literally save you millions in taxes. Millions, and it's IRS compliant. But once again, we got a bunch of people looking for something simple and easy. We don't have simple and easy here. We have hard shit for hard people who want to get fucking rich. So if that's you, go below, sign up for the course, and I will see you guys in the course in the coming weeks. We got a lot that's going on this week, and I got training tomorrow. So if you are one of the hardy, if you're a soldier, you want to make that money, you want to build a different fucking life, if you want to be able to take your girl out to dinner every fucking day of the week and not sweat the price, not be talking about, man, she just want to use me for my money. No, you take her out like that because you are a fucking baller. You live like that. Tell you a quick little story and about women and money. I had a girl, she was living with me. We had a maid, we had a chef. This chick made $154,000 a year. We broke up. Guess what she did? She came after me for money. Now, this is one of the things I asked her. I said, look, I'm paying all the bills. What I want you to do is save the money that you would be paying in rent. And at that juncture, she should have had $30,000, $40,000. But she didn't save because this is the American way. I'm not going to manage my money correctly. I'm not going to save money. I'm just going to keep blowing money. And that taught me something. So when we get into the money management course, it's going to be extreme. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. But 6 months from now, you'll be grateful that you took this course because I'm going to go Nick Saban on your asses. And you know something you see with Nick Saban? You see all the former players that went all to hell and heartache. When they come back, they hugging Nick. They're glad to see him because he made them a fucking man. He made them an NFL player. He made them rich. If that's what you want, you will enroll in the program. Like I said, I'm only expecting maybe 3-4 people to enroll this week. And then once we start showing more receipts, that's when everyone else is going to want to join. And you're not going to get in at this price. Once again, I said last month, the Kingdom program would be a higher price. It is a higher price. It's not going to be cheap. But once again, if you join this program, you can get to the Kingdom program for $10,000. The link is below.